Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the HP Webcam W100. This is a security webcam from HP. There is some information here. This comes with a one cable setup, has manual adjustable focus, and also comes with a support tripod. It has high definition capabilities. It's actually 640 by 480 pixel resolution. It has plug and play configuration, external analog microphone, manual adjustable focus as mentioned earlier, universal clip, and a support tripod. That's more or less all the information that you have on the box. Let's open this and take a look inside. So this is it. This is what you find inside the box. We have a user manual for the webcam, the HP W100. And this is what the webcam looks like. It comes with a substantially long cable, by the way. It is like almost a 1.3 meter long cable. And at the end there is a 3.5mm jack for the audio, and this is for connecting it to whatever system that you choose to connect it to. And yeah, this comes with full 360 swivel, as you can see. It's a very tiny camera right over here, so the pixel resolution is only 640 by 480. Give it a tight look. The pixel resolution is only 640 by 480. It comes with a support tripod, and there is this clip over here as well. So this is the clip basically, and it can also function as a tripod. Okay, this is the manual focus adjustment dial. There you can see, you can use it to adjust focus. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the HP Webcam W100. Thank you for watching.